Well, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. Hey, we're out in the garage. Can't see my breath, so it's a little warm out here. But hey, we are working on our boat project to replace our worn seats where the wood was all rotted. You already saw the video how we made the wood, got it all screwed together and everything. We got them laying here. What we're going to show you next is the foam step. What we're going to do is we're going to cut foam to fit it so then we can start making patterns for our material. So some kind of marker. We'll put a link to Amazon to these. Knife. It's a power steak knife. It's a great thing. We'll cut your fingers right off, so you do need to be careful, okay? And the other thing we got is we got foam. The foam will come to you like this. There'll be links to Amazon. We got the stuff at Amazon. We appreciate you shopping Amazon. Use the link to shop Amazon. Anything you buy helps support the channel and gets us more good content so we can keep going. So, hey, it motivates us. Hopefully you're motivated to do your own projects and save more money. So to open up this foam, you just kind of wrap this until you get to the point where the foam, you start seeing foam. All of a sudden you're going to see foam. Hey, there's the foam. Look at how thin this is. Wow, this is amazing stuff. We're going to roll this out, peel this off, pull this out. Oh, look how thick it's getting. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's opening up. We're just going to take this. We're going to set this on the Jeep hood because we got another one we opened up already. Let's clean up our mess. Get our knife out of the way. So in about a half hour, you're going to end up with this beautiful piece of foam. We're going to put it on the edge here. You're going to end up with it. Look at that, it's 3 inches thick. This is the firm. If I go like this, it squeezes easy. But if I'm out here, you can see I can hardly push down on it. So that's great stuff. So what we need to do is get our wood up here, lay our wood on top of our foam. Now what you want to do, you want to get so you got about a ½ inch extra foam around the outside. You can kind of work that where you get extra foam, come down on the end here, see if we're even close to straight. There we go. We are about at that ½ inch. This might be 3/4 here. So we're about ½ inch here. Keep in mind that this nook here, this is 2 pieces. When we get on the boat, we're going to screw this plate into here to join the 2 pieces to make our bench. The original one, like you saw in the other video, is 1 piece, but too hard to get back and forth to the boat and install. So we're doing this. So now what we're going to do is come up here and mark this at about a ½ inch. And we're going to come around here and mark this at about a ½ inch. The reason you want a little extra is it compresses and it makes it look nice. And if you hold up your foam like this, you can come around the corner here. So at this point, we kind of marked our foam. Let's take our wood off. You can see our foam markings. Not bad at all. So and you can see the little bit of cutting we got to do there. So next step, let's get out that hot knife, that steak knife, and figure out how to get that sucker going. It'll take us a minute. We don't use this often. We actually never used it on steak. We've always used it for cutting foam. The nice thing is I'm also going to do some of the upper seats, and I got squares here I can use. Oh, here we go. Somewhere here's a blade. There's a blade. Put the rest of this back in the box. So, like I said, very sharp, very dangerous. Kind of have to get it put in here. When it slides in, you hold this thing down. Okay, they're in there. They're in there. We're going to leave that cover on there. Got to go get our extension cord hooked up. Then we'll show you the key to cutting this. Because what we're going to do is bring it out like this and cut. And we'll do the trimming last. Let me go get my extension cord. This ball is protecting me from this pole. That's why it's in the picture there. We can move you over a little maybe. We'll plug this in here. Make sure you got power. Should be. Push that in. Well, there you go. So what we're going to do here is we're going to pull this out like this. You want to make sure when you do this, you hold it real perpendicular to your product. You can see how easy that cuts. Now, when you get to here, oh, you don't want to be hitting anything, so you got to make sure you move your foam so you're not going to hit anything. Again, make sure you're holding it square. Just got to cut this off so we can get this big piece out of the way. Now we can turn this like this, and again, make sure you hold this square. There you go. Now we gotta get this little corner down here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop the camera, mark up the other one, get it cut. I'm going to show you how we're going to attach this to the wood. And then the next video, patterns for you. Okay, so we now have all of our foam cut, foam sitting over there. We've got out some spray adhesive that we've been shaking up. You read it, it says use it with good ventilation, so we're outside. It's not breezy this morning. We're going to put a little bit on here, a little bit on the foam. Going to put it on the foam first, then we're going to put it on here. That way we can do it. The other thing, it's important to wear PPE. Hey, it's as fatal if you breathe the vapors. So we're going to put on our respirator for auto painting. Okay, we're sure it's working now. And this goes with this side down like this. So we're going to lay it this way. And we're going to hope this old can works. You can see the light amount of overspray headed your way. Very hard to see. That's okay. Okay, now we're going to start putting it on the wood. Get a good coat on the wood. Then we're going to do this and to get it to work again on the other one. Now we're going to take this and very carefully line it up here. And kind of roll it loose if it's not, you're not getting it quite right. Yep, right there. You're going to push it down a little. That's good and sticky to it. That's all there is to it. Let's go get the other one. So please like and subscribe, post notifications on. My Two Good Hands will save you money on do-it-yourself projects at home. This here is about a $1,500 boat reupholstery job that we're doing for about $200-300. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Use the Amazon links to shop. We do appreciate all the help you give this channel and support. Catch you in the next video where we make patterns for fabric.